Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is going to be one of the most difficult things I've had done in my entire life. Thinking I could climb this mountain.
Let's go back to the start.
Before the hiking starts. Before the hike.
Yes.
After, we're going to see. Getting ready for the hike. We are ready on a show.
We are ready.
Are ready for the hike.
We are ready.
Energy.
For the ride.
Energy. After we'll see the energy.
Powerful me. He said he wants to carry him. I must reach there.
After the hike, he says he's giving a free bath. Anybody who needs free bath, he'll carry you and bring back down. While we stopped to buy water and pineapple to take up to the mountain, this soya was calling my name. If you find yourself in Cameroon and you have not tasted Cameroon soya, then I wonder if you've even been to Cameroon. Roadside soya is the best. Go and argue that with your grandmother. I don't have your time. Let me eat. And that is the glimpse of the Mount Manengouba waiting for us. Today is going to be a great day, I think. It was at this juncture the buses couldn't climb anymore, so we were left to use our legged bends. That is our legs. The option of horses. Could have some horse for yourself. Some people were wise enough to rent some of these horses to accompany them climb the mountain. Some of us said we could do it. Only time is going to tell as we started the journey. As we stood by and watched those who opted for the horse option overtook us, all we could wonder, did we make the right choice to climb by ourselves? If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe and press that notification bell so when next I upload a video, you'll be the first to get notified.
15 minutes later.
At this point, I was wondering if I made the right choice. I should have taken the horse option. Oh God, I don't enter one chance. It turned out many of us thought of the option of taking the horse, but we can only find horses in the next village, which is 1 hour 30 minutes from where we are. This is Wabi Crater. Wabi Crater.
I advise this man not take the horse now, they will not see heaven.
Well, no, this is me during the hike.
Adrenaline challenge.
This is as stage 1 of the hike.
Really stage 1 of the hike.
This is you during the hike. First stage of the hike.
This is like a mountain. What's the mountain again?
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is going to be one of the most difficult things I've had done in my entire life. Thinking I could climb this mountain. We've arrived at the first camp, Mr. Junior. 5%. This is the first camp, the Fulani village, where we are having our first stop to rest. Look at that fair mountain. Jesus Christ. Yeah, the Fulani village. That's my walking stick. had to use it to walk. We took about 2 hours to get here. It's the first place of rest. It's not easy, but we are going. Keep pushing. Push it to the limit. I beg. Now get spare horse. No one share horse with me, I beg. I don't do it again. I need horse. You need horse? 2 hours into the hike.
Voila.
We're taking some pineapple to regain the strength. Let me take you.
You fight me. Wow, fair is that let me pack that GL.
Who packed this Lamborghini beside me? Is the other one? You're doing well. While resting at the Fulani village, some people opted for more horses because they have tested already and they think they will actually need one. So we got more horses for those who wanted to continue. And also, while those who carried a lot of pineapples or fruits up the mountain were trying to shed off their weight, I sat thinking to myself, who sent me here? Why did you, Spencer, decide to do this? We are up and climbing again.
Don't leave your group where there's a
No, there are people still behind. Okay. There are a lot of people still behind.
People reach there by 4.
All right, thank you guys. Thank you. We just met some guys who were in the mountain yesterday and they're coming back. They said from where we are right now, we still have about 2 hours 30 minutes to go. And presently it's looking at the time now, it's about 1 p.m. So give or take, we should be up the crater by 4:30. All right, it's not easy, but we keep going. That's the next target. Alright guys, I couldn't take it anymore. After that hill, I had to partner with somebody to take this horse. God, it felt so good to be on this horse. My legs were already finished. So we agreed I was gonna ride the horse for about 15 minutes, then I give it back to him. That 15 minutes to me felt like 1 hour because it was so good to be carried by this horse. Yeah, we had to go down and do by ourselves because the horses could not go down this place with you. Going down by ourselves. Very steep. You can see how steep it is. Look at the guys inside. Look at this view, guys. I think it's kind of worth it. The view I'm seeing, I think it's kind of worth it that I made it to this point. It hasn't been easy, I won't lie to you. But once in a while you got to push your body to the limit and see what your body can offer. If you don't push it, you can't know. Today I've done one of the most difficult things I've ever done in my life. For now, it's just 50% of the journey. We are up, we still have to go back down. But I think I'm kind of happy. I didn't give up along the way. So we got to the Mount Manengouba crater, but we still have to descend and walk through that path to go to the lake. That's the female lake that is visible from here. It's about 1 hour 30 minutes of walk again to get there. It was at this point that many people left their precious horses to take the steep descent because the horses couldn't go. So if you had to go to see the Twin Lake, you have to be on your own. After about 1 hour of walking, we arrived at the Twin Lake. This is the female lake and the other one is the male lake. The female lake is bigger and I think bluish in color, while the male lake is kind of greener. This is the male lake, which is greener in color. I hear people can't swim in the male lake, but the female lake, people do swim there. To get there, you have to go through that place, walk down the stairs, and come to the lake where you can swim if you can swim. I didn't do because I'm not a good swimmer, so that is where my own ended before we had to turn back. Going back down is another story because we got lost in this mountain. Time to go back down. Going back down, we realized we got missing. So this nice lady started asking the horse, "You brought us up here, so take us back down. Where should we go? Which path?" Guys, we are missing. We don't know the road if we are going this way or this way. We have been walking for the past 2 hours, descending back. So and the plan is we should get back down the mountain by 5:30. So 5:30 p.m. So we're descending and going. It's not easy, but descending is not as easy as climbing also, but well, it's much better. I asked these Fulanis how much I could get a horse from them if I want a horse. For myself, they said about 5 million francs CFA, which is like $8,000. Wow. I don't know if they were just joking or if that's the price of a horse here, but if you have any idea, if you're in Cameroon, you have any idea, leave a comment and let me know if that's the price. Returning from the randonnée. Yes.
This
Look at them.
Take your money, buy sofa.
Use your money and go and kill yourself.
Bestie. You already know that was a great experience.
It's a great experience, right?
Experience.
Once in a lifetime. Oh, you want to do it again next time?
Yeah, next time like try another mountain,
Not this one. Okay.
How high?
Guys, I think we are lost in the mountain. We don't know how to go back down. A lot of roads. But the road we came didn't have a bike. So we are lost, but we keep going. This road is looking strange. There's a house there. Hopefully we are here. We finally saw some houses, but definitely this is not the route we use. So we got lost in this mountain, but at least we found some houses. And anyway, we hope we just get to regroup with the other guys. I can't be more than happy. I just discovered where we came from. We came from this road through this direction. We're coming back this one. We took a wrong turn. Ah, God. Oh, God. We made it. We are alive. We made it. What a joy. What a joy. Wow. What a joy. That's where we park the cars. Oh, man. Oh, that's where we park the cars. If you watch this adventure till the end, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like this video, and leave a comment about your own hiking experience. If you've ever done hiking before, if you'd like to go on hiking with us in Cameroon, kindly leave a comment. We'll contact you and we'll meet up to do hiking together. Why not even the Mount Cameroon next time? Till then, see you next time. I love you guys.